Hello there! This time I'm going to build a gaming computer. I built 4 gaming computers before, and this is the 5th build. And I'm going to make this computer for a young person in Los Angeles, where her mom requested for this build. And these are the parts that I'm going to use for this computer. The first part is the CPU, which is the Intel Core 11th generation i9. It's i9 11th generation, 11900K, so it's the 11th generation i9. The second part is, of course, this motherboard. The motherboard that we have today that we're going to use is this ROG Strix. It's the Republic of Gamers Z590E, and it is also equipped with Wi-Fi, and at the same time it's Windows 11 ready. And this is a good motherboard. Then we're going to use also the T4s, DDR4 RAM, which is 16 and 16 gigabytes, so it's 32 gigabytes with RGB. It has an RGB. And the next part is, of course, we're going to use some memory, and we're going to use this solid state drive of WD Blue. It's 1 terabyte. And then, of course, we needed a fan for the CPU. We use this Thermal Lake fan for the CPU with RGB effects also. The next one that we're going to use, of course, is these fans around the PC case to help cool the computer, and I will be using this Lian Li RGB. So it's about 6 of them, 6 pieces. And of course, we're going to use this power supply. This power supply is of K-Max. This is a big one with a good capacity for power. It's 750 watts with RGB also, RGB effects. Then the thing that we're going also to use is, of course, this thermal compound. This is very important, especially if we're going to put the CPU and then the fan together. And of course, the last one is this Lian Li. I will use the Lian Li PC case, which is sturdy. At the same time, it's with a modern look, clean look, and also with thermal glass. So this is the component of my build this time, and I hope to finish this one as soon as possible, probably about an hour or 2. So hang on there, and then we will try to go for. The first test of this computer that I built just a while ago. Now you see it with the whole case.